Good day, everyone. Today, we present our topic, Organizing Technical Information. Organizing technical information means arranging complex details in a clear, logical, and easy to understand way. It helps reader quickly find important facts, follow instructions, and understand idea without confusions.
So, good day everyone. My name is Ferrer Denver and I'm gonna talk about my topic, the importance of organization and consequences of poor organization. Enhancing clarity. Enhancing clarity means arranging ideas in a clear logical order so readers can easily understand the message and see how different ideas are connected. For example, when explaining how to solve a math problem, you you first state the given information and then show the steps to solve it and finally present the answer. Improving usability. Improving usability means arranging information in a clear and structured way so people can easily and quickly find what they need, saving time and effort. For example, a textbook with a table of contents, heading, and index help students quickly locate a specific topic instead of searching through every page. Building credibility. Building credibility means presenting information in a well organized and professional way to show knowledge, competence, and understanding of the subject. For example, a research paper with a clear introduction, organized body paragraphs properly, cite source, and strong conclusion appears more trustworthy and demonstrate the writer expertise on the topic. Managing overload. Managing overload means break information into smaller, organized sections so it is easier to understand and less overwhelming. For example, instead of presenting a long block of text about study tips, the writer divides it into sections like time management, note taking, and exam preparation. Confusion is the state of not understanding something clearly or feeling uncertain about information. Misinterpretation is that understanding information incorrectly by assigning the wrong meaning or intent. Frustration is the emotional response felt when goals are blocked or expectations are not met, often leading or irritability and tension. Disengagement is the state of withdrawing attention, interest, or involvement from something, resulting in detachment and reduced effort. Wasted time refers time to spend on unproductive, unnecessary, or inefficient activities that do not contribute to desired goals or outcomes. Wasted resources refers to the misuse of inefficient consumption of materials, money, energy, or effort that could have been better utilized elsewhere. Damaged credibility refers to the loss of trust, reputation, or believability that someone once had, often caused by broken promise, mistakes, or dishonest actions.
Hi, good day everyone. My name is John Lloyd Aldumo from PISA 2-2. I am from Group 4 Reporters. And my part in this report is the common organizational pattern and advanced organizational pattern. There is the four types of common organizational pattern. Number one, chronological. It arranges information by sequence of event or step over time. Number two, spatial. Organized based on physical arrangement or location. Number three, importance. Structure by significance, priority, or impact. Number four, comparison or contrast. Highlights similarities and difference between subjects. In advanced organization pattern, there is the three types of advanced organization pattern. Number one, cause and effect. Explain the reason for occurrence and its outcome. Problem or solution. Present a defined problem and propose viable solution. Number three, classification or partition. Group item into categories or breaks breakdown in a single item and components.
Hi guys, my name is Palyang Clay Dumlao. Today I'll be discussing the principles of effective document design. First is we have outlining. Outlining is the process of organizing ideas before writing a document. It serves as a guide or blueprint that arranges topics in a logical order, making the content clear and easy to understand. Second is we have headings and subheadings. Headings and subheadings are titles used to divide a document into sections and smaller parts. They help readers easily find information, understand the main topics, and see the relationship between ideas. Next is list and transition. Lists simplify complex ideas into digestible segments and highlight key points and improve scannability. And numbered for sequential steps, bulleted for non-sequential items. Second is transition. Transition is linguistic elements connecting ideas, paragraphs, and sections. Ensure smooth flow and guide the reader through content. The next one is crucial for non-native English speakers to follow logical progression.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Joshua Esplana, BSA 2-2. Our topic for today is adapting to audience and purpose. Audience influence. Experts need detailed explanation, managers need executive summaries, techniques need step-by-step instruction. Different audience needs different types of information. The way you explain something should be depend on who is reading it. Experts want to detail and technical explanations. Managers want to short summaries and key points. Technician want to clear by step-by-step instruction. Example: how computer networks works. For its experts, explains protocols, IP addressing, and data packets. For managers, explain how to network improves productivity and security. For technician, provide steps on how to set up router and cables. Provide steps on how to set up routers cables. Same topic, different explanation style. Purpose influence. Purpose influence is to instruct chronological, to persuade problem solution, to inform partial or classification. The way you organize information also depends on your goal. To instruct, use chronological step-by-step order. To persuade, use problem and solution format. To inform, use classification and partial order. Example: to instruct how to bake a cake. Step 1, preheat oven. Step 2, mix ingredients. Step 3, bake in for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. To persuade, why school should start later. Problem: student lack sleep. Solution: start classes at 9 a.m. To inform, types of computer storage: primary storage, secondary storage, cloud storage. Adaptability. Adaptability is proficient communications adapt strategies based on specific needs. Good communicators adjust their style depend on the situation, audience, and purpose. They don't use the same explanation for everyone. Example: if you are presenting in class, for classmates, use simple words in examples. For teachers, add deeper explanation and proper terms. Proper terms. Combining patterns. Combining patterns is integrate different patterns within a single document, ensuring clear communication of shifts. Some things on documents uses more than one pattern or organizations. This helps explain informations more clearly. Example, a research paper might start with a problem students struggle with math, classify causes lack of practice, poor teaching methods, give step-by-step solutions, daily exercise during session. This combination makes the documents more complete and effective. Organizing technical information is and adapting into the audience and purpose makes communication clear, effective, and useful when information is structured properly and adjusted to the reader's needs and reduce confusions, improves understanding, and helps make people make better decisions. And for conclusions, organization technical information is essential for turning complex details into usable knowledge. When information structures logically labeled clearly and presented at the right level of detail, it becomes easier to understand, apply, and maintain good organization, reduce errors, save time, supports collaboration, and helps both expert and non-experts make informed decisions. Ultimately, well-organized technical information bridge the gap between the complexity and clarify, ensuring the knowledge is not only accurate but also accessible and effective. Organizing technical information means arranging complex details in clear and logical ways so people can easily understand and use them. When information is structured properly with hiding step levels and the right amount of details, it becomes easier to read, follow, and apply. Good organization prevents confusion, reduces mistakes, saves times, and help both experts and beginners make better decisions. In short, organization turns complicated information into clear and useful knowledge. Example: Imagine you are writing instruction on how to install a mobile app. For organization, long paragraph, no steps, no headings, mixed instructions. Good results result is the readers gets confused and may installs incorrectly. Good organizations. Title: How to install the app. Step 1: Open Play Store. Step 2: Research the app name. Step 3: Click and install. Step 4: Open the app. The readers follow easily and complete the task correctly. Thank you.